Hey everyone, Crazy Orthodontist here to show you how to put rubber bands on a Class 3 or protraction face mask. Now, if you don't know what this thing is, be sure to go to the Braces app. It's free, you can download it. If you go like this, you can see what a Class 3 face mask is, what it does, how it helps with braces patients. But alas, if you go right here, check out how you put this rubber band around the hook on the inside of your mouth, just like this. Give it kind of a tug, pull it out, and then wrap it around this part of the face mask, just like that. Now, that'll hold the face mask in place, so you can kind of let go. It might pull it just a little bit one way, but then you go to the other side. Grab your rubber band, pull it around the hook. Might take a couple times like that. Pull it on, stretch it out, and then wrap it around the face mask just like that. Now, just like that, voila, you've got your face mask on there. There it is. Sleep with it on like that, and it'll allow your top jaw to kind of grow forward. Now, this thing will not work if you sleep on your belly, so make sure you sleep on your back or sleep on your side. With this thing right here, you see how there's several little notches on the face mask? Technically, it doesn't really matter which one of those you put it on. However, it does make it a little bit more comfortable if you put it more towards the middle. So I'm actually going to show you another little trick here. If you look and see how I'm kind of pulling those rubber bands out, when they're more towards the outside like that, it will still work, but it tends to kind of rub on the sides of your cheeks and lips like this right here. So here's another little thing that you can do. I'm going to show you how you can take these rubber bands off and put it on a completely different way. So here we go, taking the rubber bands off. Leave it on one of the hooks and pull it to the other side of the face mask. Check that out, like that. So it's almost like a crisscross. Then do it on the other side just like this. Pull it and crisscross. Daddy Mac will make you jump. Smack daddy, make you jump. Okay, there you go. See, when it's like that, it actually tends to pull on your cheeks and lips, makes it more comfortable. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.